everyone, this is Susie with Runaround to CG, and I wanted to let you guys know that I'm at the Hoover Dam, and I'm going to take you on a little walking scenery here at the Hoover Dam. And if you're afraid of heights, I wouldn't watch.
More precisely, it came from a location near Santa Ana, California. The winged figures are made of statuary bronze. The castings are over 30 feet
It's the
tall.
bridge that I came on, and I did take a lot of pictures up there.
The United States. The artist said the building of Hoover Dam.
That bridge is definitely something that if you're not afraid of heights, you'll want to go on and take a bunch of pictures. It really puts Hoover Dam into a perspective of the water level being way up there. This is a pretty cool place to check out. And this part of it is free. They have other tours that cost $10, and then a power plant tour that is $15. So, and then there is parking that costs $10, and there's free parking too. If you can walk, there's lots of free parking. You just have to be able to go up and down stairs, get your exercise for sure. So let's see. So I'm up here on the very top, looking down. And it's very busy here. Well, not too terribly busy, but it is busy.
ग्रुप आ जाओ इधर हो जाओ
This is the other side. We can tell though. Definitely the water is higher over here. This is gorgeous over here. It's amazing to see how much the levels are different and how much pressure this dam is actually holding in real life. And you see pictures of it, but being here in real life is just something else. You can see fishermen out there. Looks like a little landslide happened over there. hope you guys aren't afraid of heights. I'm going to jump back across here to the other side. Get a different view, down a little ways. Okay, I guess not. That's for the tours. So, this is as far as I can go on this side because they have it roped off. Didn't really see that until just now. Oh, excuse me. So as you can see, there's tours going on over there.
I don't need to see your tickets on the top of the dam. We've already marked them off. But just make sure you have the
Okay, go ahead. Up there, if I can get the lighting right, there's where the free parking is. That one. And then there's this one too. And then I did notice if you do have a handicap sticker, there's a parking lower that is free and handicap accessible. So
A menina fala que o maior sonho dela é ela estar em 2 lugares ao mesmo tempo. E aí o cara que é apaixonado por ela leva ela na disputa.
there's a lot of people taking the tour today. Like I said, there's 2 different tours. One is 15 and one is 20. So and if you notice here,
Tá ali do lado, Laís. Seu óculos ele tá com você. Não dá seu óculos para as pessoas.
notice here it says Nevada and Arizona. This is the actual border of Arizona and Nevada. So, alright. Looks like we can go back across. So I'm going to go back across. And, go that way? Okay. Thank you. Look at that. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna sign off. And again, this does not cost me anything but gas to get here. No parking, no fees. I only, I parked in the free parking. I walked, got my exercise in. No gym today. And then everything that I've done here so far has been free. I really have enjoyed this spot, and I really do recommend, even though some people think that it may not be worth it, but I really encourage you to come out and check out the Hoover Dam. It is absolutely gorgeous to look at. It really puts it in perspective. It's quite amazing when you see the different levels and you see how much water this dam is actually holding up. And sorry for the awkward poses here. It's trying out this new one, so I hope it works well. Well, until next time, guys, enjoy your peace and look for the next adventure. Subscribe and hit the like button if you found any of this helpful or interesting. And like I said before, it's free to subscribe. It will just notify you when I put in a new video.
I think this.
So enjoy life.
In the rock.